Hello guys, it's me, welcome back. Today we're gonna explain you how to do the crossbow glitch. So get the weapon key first in Granny. Get the weapon key. Grab the crossbow and the tranquilizer and go upstairs. You know when you cross that trap, first you need the hammer. Remove one plank, at the third floor. Put it at the trap thing, place it, and then grab the crossbow and the tranquilizer, and then cross the trap halfway. You see the screwdriver, shoot it from there, and it works 100%, guys. So when you shoot the crossbow to the screwdriver in third floor, it actually works. It drops immediately, permanently. So yeah, guys. So this is how to shoot the screwdriver from the third floor, guys. So make sure to share this video to your friends and comment down below, guys. So please like, subscribe, and peace.